comment down number 1 if I am audible, guys. Klaro ba ako sa end nyo? Ayan, thank you so much for those people na nagko-comment dyan. Ayan, thank you. No, guys, anyways, most dito, nasa abroad ba? Nasa Pinas? Can you comment down what country? And also, saan nyo nakita yung Zoom link na to? Sino yung nag-imbita sa inyo? Ayan, from Hong Kong, Bahrain, Hong Kong. Wow, daming Hong Kong ngayon ah. UAE, Dubai, Toronto, sa Facebook. Ayan, grabe no? Umabot hanggang Canada yung yung mga post. Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, watching from Hong Kong, Kuwait, Philippines, Turkey, ayan, Canada, Japan, Dubai, Hong Kong, grabe. Hindi natin matapos to guys kung mabasahin ko lahat. But konting favor lang sa inyo guys. Is it okay that we say a prayer no bago tayo simula talaga kasi I think wala sa intro video kanina, but I'd like to say a prayer muna para guided tayo sa wisdom ni Lord. Okay lang ba? Sabayan niyo ako guys. Let's put ourselves in the most holy presence of the Lord. Lord, Heavenly Father, God, we just want to praise you. We just want to thank you, God. We acknowledge you tonight, Lord, na lahat po ng mga tao na andito, it is not by accident na andito sila ngayon. It is bound to happen, Lord. Maraming salamat sa internet na malakas, sa electricity na hindi mawawala. Thank you, Lord, for the ideas and learnings na matututunan nila tonight. And Lord, sana ito din yung isang bagay na makatulong sa kanila financially sa buhay nila, especially this year. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. Thank you so much for praying with me, guys. Ayan. So, ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin on how you will be equipped in the forex trading, in your forex trading journey. Kasi alam ko lahat ng andito, maybe it's your first time, maybe second time, third time, or paulit-ulit na. Pero you're still immersing yourself to learn, no? And guys, I tell you, no? This is a 2-day beginner's challenge. Maybe some of you, nung na-introduce si forex trading, may mga iba't ibang paniniwala. Okay? But right now, guys, yung isi-share ko sa inyo is not my beliefs, but lahat po ito are facts, no? Para at least tayo matuto kung paano kumita ng dollars using our cellphones. Kahit cellphones lang, guys. Kahit hindi laptop, for you to start or jumpstart your forex trading journey. All right. So let me pull up my slides. Simulan na natin, no? Kasi I know excited na lahat dito na matuto. All right. Okay, there you go. Ayan. Okay, clear ba? Can you comment number 5 if it's clear on your end, guys? Let's go. Comment para alive tayo. Ayan, thank you. Again, I welcome you to our 2-day challenge Forex training for beginners. So this is today guys, September 25, 10 p.m. Philippine time. And bukas po. So I expect etong 166 na to. Sana bukas hindi ka absent ha. Sabihin mo yung katabi mo kung dalawa kayo dyan, huwag kang absent bukas. Okay? Now, guys, I just wanna honor you, no? Bravery is acknowledging your fear and doing it anyway. Sabi ko nga, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa forex trading journey, guys, that was 2018. And it was not a good introduction for me kasi truth be told, I was scammed. Okay? So, marami dito, for sure, you will tell me, Sir or MJ, I was scammed. Yung introduction kasi sa akin was invest. Yung iba naman, every time they heard about forex trading, iniisip nila is mahirap. 'Di ba? So, lahat ng andito, bilib na bilib kami sa inyo kasi alam ko ang dami sigurong duda dyan sa utak nyo kung kaya nyo ba to, kung legit ba talaga to, 'di ba? If kaya ba sa oras na aralin to. But here you are. You showed up, nagpakita kayo, nakinig kayo right now. Yung iba siguro dito, inaantok, pagod pa sa trabaho. But then again, congratulations. Ito yung mga brave traders natin na alam ko Alam ko malayo yung maaabot nyo. Same thing with us guys. All of us coaches here, we have our own backstories. Yung iba maganda, yung iba hindi. Ako kasali ako sa hindi, no? Pero what I want you to focus from right now, moving forward, no? Magsimula tayo clean slate. Kalimutan muna natin yung mga nangyari na dati. Alam ko may mga hugot ka pa dyan, siguro. No? Kalimutan na natin yon. This is the day, no, na sisimulan natin the right way yung trading journey natin. No more shortcuts. Kasi the more tayong sumu-shortcut sa trading journey natin, no, the more na napapalayo tayo. Okay? So this time, let's be brave enough to at least accept, no, what happened noon, but this time, brave enough to at least see the future even brighter kasi this time, mas alam mo na kung paano to gagawin. Excited na ba kayo? Okay. Now guys, again, pag-uusapan natin on how you earn dollars dito sa forex trading, no? Actually, sobrang nakaka-excite. Sino mga OFW nakaka-relate to? Pag mataas ang dollars, happy or not? Kahit konting point-point lang 'yan, 'di ba? Happy-happy tayo. Nakaka-relate ba? Relate ba kayo, guys? Ano ba tayo ngayon? Uy, month end na. Grabe, swerte ng mga pamilya ng mga andito ngayon. Isipin nyo, nagtatrabaho na sa abroad pero naghahanap pa ng pagkakakitaan. Nag-aaral pa ng forex trading. So you can just provide. Kaya saludo talaga ako sa mga OFW, no? Kasi they really do it all for their family. So guys, extra dollars, no? Using forex trading, no? Now, okay, just for the background, para alam niyo lang kung sino yung nagsasalita, pakilala ko lang muna yung sarili ko. I'm MJ Canoy, so graduate po ako ng IT. I'm from Iligan City, by the way, sa mga Bisaya. May gabi sa inyong tanan. And 10 years na din po ako sa distribution business. So for quite some time, right after graduation, I did entrepreneurship until now kasi gusto ko po yung walang time in, time out, walang boss, may extrang income, kaya napasok sa negosyo. And of course, dahil sa pagninegosyo, ang nangyari guys is may extra. Mga OFW, nakaka-relate kayo or sa mga andito, no? Yung mga panahon na may extra ka, naghahanap ka ng paraan paano mo siya ipalaki, no? Paano mo siya i-grow yung money mo na instead nasa bangko lang, wala naman nangyayari, 'di ba? Sobrang liit lang naman ng interest, naghahanap ka ng pwede mong paglagyan ng pera. Would you agree with me? Yun po yung naging rason kung bakit ko po napasok si forex trading. Back 2018, I have a friend of mine na sinabi niya sa akin, "Ay, may magaling na forex trader sa Cagayan de Oro." And it seems like legit naman siya, binibigyan ng interest yung mga nag-i-invest sa kanya. Kaya it's my first time, wala akong masyadong idea. Alam ko legit si Forex. It's just so sad na yung tao pa lang yun is siya yung nag-scam sa pera namin. So Forex is legit, but let's be very careful, no, and fully aware sino yung mga kinakausap natin. Especially guys, we do not really encourage anyone here na magbigay ng pera kahit kanino para mag-trade sa inyo. The purpose of you being here para ikaw mismo matuto. Learn from other people's mistake. Naging mali namin guys is nung time na may extra na naghanap kami ng mga tao, shortcut nga eh, 'di ba? Alam naman natin, pag easy money. Easy money, oh, invest ka lang, tutubo yung pera mo, geto ganyan, 'di ba? Very, very ano tayo diyan eh, lalo na pag Pinoy, ang dali nating maloko talaga kasi pag walang gagawin, yun yung pinakagusto natin. But guys, this time may gagawin tayo. But good thing is, the best thing about what we're gonna talk about tonight is this is a lifetime skill you will learn na pwede mo pang maituro sa anak mo, sa kapatid mo, sa pamilya mo para hindi na sila mascam pa ulit. Okay? Kasi maloloko at maloloko talaga tayo kung wala tayong alam at kung willing tayong magpaloko. So, sana naman guys, I hope you learn from that, okay? And again, disclaimer po, forex trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for everyone, okay? It is a high risk, high reward business and past performance is not indicative of future results. So guys, dito po bawal po yung mahihina ang loob. Yung mahihina ang puso, no? Kasi high risk, high reward po si Forex, no? But we can still manage risk, but upfront po, I understand, no? Kung matatapos mo to, tapos if you feel like hindi mo ramdam na para sa'yo to, it's okay. Feel free to leave the chance to learn and earn from Forex trading. But for those, no, na talagang gustong matuto, congratulations ahead. Kasi ako personally guys, I tell you, dati talaga hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko na kaya ko siyang aralin. Kasi sabi ko sarili ko, mahina ako sa math, wala akong time, kesyo geto, kesyo ganyan. Pero nung naintindihan ko siya, kung gaano kaganda at gaano kalaki yung potential na kitaan, kahit busy ka, kahit nagtatrabaho ka, nagnenegosyo ka, sobrang na-inlove ako doon sa process. And kaya po, nagsasabi kami ahead of time na hindi kami magsusugarcoat talaga dito. If iniisip nyo right now na sasali kayo ngayon, yayaman kayo bukas, hindi po yan mangyayari dito. Kung iniisip nyo right now na magbibigay lang kayo ng pera sa amin, no? No one in our community accepts capital for us to trade your money. No po yan sa community namin. Kung merong mang MJ, NARS, March, or other leaders or coaches na nagsasabi, nagpadala kayo ng pera sa amin, kami yung magte-trade sa inyo, never po namin gagawin yan. Kung meron kayong makita, magsabi po kayo sa amin kasi we will call that out. Hindi po ganun yung culture ng community natin. Okay? Klaro tayo dun guys ha? Ayos tayo. Alright. So overview po ng pag-uusapan natin is number 1, introduction to forex trading, mga forex terminologies, understanding currency pairs, types of trading, apps and platform. Ayan. Ito na, dito na simula. Guys, remember, I will speak here not for entertainment. Baka isipin ng iba dito, ang boring naman yan, coach. Mas okay pa ngayon, 'di ba? Baka yung iba dito ngayon habang nakikinig, nag-scroll lang sa Facebook, habang nakikinig nag mang Tagalog ng nagtanaw. nanonood ng Netflix, 'di ba? I understand. I truly understand na hindi po entertainment yung pinunta ninyo dito. But please, I hope ma-understand nyo din na wala po sa entertainment ang pera. Minsan inuubos pa ng entertainment ang pera at oras natin. This is something of value na pwedeng makadagdag ng pera sa'yo. This is a skill na kaya mo siyang i-learn. Isipin mo na lang, if you have an extra time, 'di ba? Pwede kang mag-basketball, pwede kang mag-gym, pwede kang siguro mag-enroll sa baking, mag-enroll sa kung ano yung pwede mong enrollan. But this is also one of those hobbies or maybe additional skill na pwede mong aralin, pero the best part is you will earn. Okay? Pwede pa nga, at katulad ng kasama natin dito, pwede pang siguro yung rason mag-for good ka dito sa Pinas. Okay? Now, guys, arapin muna natin yung mga misconceptions about forex trading. So yes, there are misconceptions, no? Kasi baka habang nag-share ako dito, kumakalaban yung utak mo. Familiar kayo? Scam pa din yan, di ba? Habang nag-share ako sa'yo dito ng mga facts, ng mga values, baka may kumukontra sa subconscious mind mo. Okay, sagutin muna natin yan. Scam ba si Forex, MJ? Sugal ba si Forex? Yes. Yung mga misconception, relate kayo dyan? Sino dito yung family nyo, every time nakikita kayo nagde-demo trade, sinasabi, nagsusugal na yan si ano? Ano ba yan? 'Di ba? Ay, nakapasok na naman sa scam yan si Elmer. Kaya ganyan, 'di ba? Now guys, these are the basic or the common misconceptions about forex trading. But I'd like to answer that. Hindi po scam si Forex. Minsan lang may mga tao na ginagamit ito para mang-scam. Okay? Sa Forex po, it's the trading market where the world currencies are traded. Okay? And sa sugal po na part, hindi po to scatter, hindi po to katulad ng mga ibang mga casino online dyan, no? Sa sugal po wala po yung basis, no? More likely chances lang yung basis mo dyan. But dito more of strategic risk. Okay? So I hope klaro tayo ngayon pa lang, no? Baka at least hindi ka na nega, 'di ba? So at least ngayon, okay, totoo pala to, legit to. However, dadagdagan pa natin yung mga inputs na yan para at least mawala na yung mga thoughts na ganyan. Para yung parang clouded mind mo, meron ng sunshine. Okay? Now, what is Forex trading? So guys, si Forex po, okay, Forex or foreign exchange, okay? So abbreviation lang pala si Forex. Ang real word para diyan is two words. Foreign exchange, okay? It's a global marketplace for buying and selling of currencies, and it's also known as the currency market or Forex, okay? Now, guys, palitan ng pera. Parati nyo bang nakikita to sa mga OFW? Palitan ng pera. Pagpapasok kayo dito sa Pinas, hindi nyo magagamit kung ano yung pera or currency kung saan kayo nagtatrabaho. You need to change it to Philippine peso. Okay? However, etong pinag-uusapan natin guys na forex trading, it's the global marketplace. Merkado guys, marketplace, talipapa, o anong market or anong tawag sa inyo, 'di ba? Ang nangyayari sa loob ng merkado is what? May bumibili at may nagbebenta. Same thing dito. Pero ang nangyayari, hindi pagkain yung binibili, hindi isda or kung ano-ano, kung hindi pera. Kung andyan ka sa US ngayon, pwede mo siyang ibenta at gawin mo siyang peso. Kung nasa Pinas ka ngayon, meron kang peso, pambili mo ng dollars. Okay? So, ganyan yung nangyayari. And right now, guys, okay, sa financial market, marami kasi yan sa financial market, guys. Merong crypto, legit po si crypto ha. Again, legit po si crypto. Merong bonds, merong treasury, merong stocks. Okay, merong indices. Of all guys, sa lahat niyan, okay? Si Forex po ang pinakamalaki with approximately 7.5 trillions of dollars traded every single day. Again guys, yung iba po dyan, crypto, stocks, at yung iba around billions of dollars traded every day. Guys, first time, no, ma-encounter mo siguro yung word na trillions. Yes po. Overall sa financial market, si Forex po yung pinakamalaki na yung liquidity, in and out po yung pera dito. Kaya be very careful kung may mga tao po nagsasabi sa inyo na ay sa Forex, ano yan, kailangan i-hold mo muna yung pera mo, kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan, tsaka interest ka per month. Wala pong ganun. Anytime you can withdraw your money. Okay? Now, eto, for simpler sample, nakikita nyo to sa bangko, sa airport. Ito yung traditional or very manual way of Forex, no? Kunwari, meron kang 100 USD, okay? May $100 ka. Nung time na meron kang 100 USD, around 57 pesos pa yung value nun. However, hinold mo siya, no? After a week or two, ang nangyari, naging 58 pesos siya, okay? That 1 peso guys, okay, from 5,700 kasi meron kang $100. Are you following? Listen to me. Okay, now, ang nangyari dyan, naging 5,800, meaning may 100 pesos ka na profit. Okay, ito yung traditional way of forex trading. Okay, kaya huwag kang magtaka yung mga money changers, malaki din talaga yung kinikita nila kasi yun yung business nila. Pero hindi lang sa money changer yung ginagawa natin ngayon. Again, ito is global. Okay? global yung access natin since mga online platforms na yung gamit natin. Okay? Now, what are the forex terminologies to remember? Okay. Eto na guys. Okay. The market participants in the forex ecosystem. Sino yung mga nagte-trade sa forex? Sino-sino ba sila, no? So, meron tayong mga retail traders, forex brokers, institutional traders, meron tayong mga liquidity providers. Simulan muna natin guys sa institutional traders. Ito sila yung mga big banks, mga hedge funds, governments, okay? So, ito yung mga Citibank, JP Morgan, 'di ba? Nakakarinig kayo, ano 'yan, malaki yung sahod niyan kasi nasa call center JP Morgan. Bangko po 'yan, no? Dutch Bank, Goldman Sachs. They move billions of dollars daily. So often yung mga international trades, investment sa kanila nang galing 'yan, okay? So 90% po ng daily forex trading volume is coming from institutional traders. And guys, eto sila yung mga whales in the ocean. Kung ang market is ang ocean, eto yung mga whales. Eto yung mga butanding dyan sa asan yan, sa Oslob, sa Cebu. When they move, waves happen and small fish like us, tayo yung mga retail traders, feel the impact. Alam nyo ba guys, napakaswerte natin. Can you comment dyan, blessed, sa comment section? Blessed. Hello? Andyan pa ba kayo guys? Baka nawala na ako ha. Ayan. Bakit blessed tayo? Did you know that before 90s guys, sila lang yung allowed sa forex trading. Sila lang yung allowed mag-trade. But late 1990s and early 2000, pumasok ang mga forex brokers na nabigyan ng chance ang mga retail traders. Kaya napakaswerte mo ngayon, naabutan mo pa to. 'Di ba? Siguro ang daming nawala na lang sa mundo, hindi man lang sila naka-experience nito, but alam nila na malaki yung posibleng kitain diyan, pero wala silang chance. And right here, right now, you are given the chance. Napaka-blessed mo pa kasi bakit? Hindi scam yung community na napasukan mo, no? We are pro education sa community natin. Pangalawa, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga liquidity providers, okay? Usually guys, these are the tier 1 banks, the large financial institutions that supply, buy and sell pairs, okay? Now guys, ito sila yung mga Barclays, mga UBS, XTX Markets. Ito sila yung, think of them as water pipes, no? Kung wala sila, walang maiinom. They make sure money keeps flowing in the market. Okay? Now, the forex brokers, sino ba to sila? Okay? Ito yung VT Markets, 'di ba? Trusted na ano natin 'yan na sobrang dami guys, may XM, may XNES, may FBS, merong Light Finance, but sa amin kasi sobrang mag-alaga yung account manager natin. Hands up talaga ako doon. Shout out ko lang, no? Wag na nating pangalanan. Baka i-message nyo lahat. Okay, yung mga forex brokers guys, they act as bridge between retail traders and liquidity providers. So, kumikita din sila through spreads and commission. Kasi guys, did you know, kung walang mga forex brokers, hindi tayo makakapasok sa market. Kaya yung mga iba magsasabi, ay ano lang yan, kasi ganito, kesyo ganyan, para may commission si broker, kasi ganyan. Sige nga, mag-trade ka na walang broker, naku po, 'di ba? Imposible yun. Kaya find a good broker that can really support you and assist you. Okay? So brokers are like middleman shop. Parang middleman sila guys, no? So hindi sila, kunwari, parang ganito, hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng toothpaste sa factory. Pwede ba yun? Kakatok ka dun? Oy, pabili po ng Colgate, yung close-up. Nalito tuloy, no? Hindi ka pwedeng gumawa, hindi mo pwedeng mag-direct ka dun. Kailangan mo munang dumaan either sa mall or sa sari-sari store, 'di ba? Para ma-connect ka sa supplier. Okay? So yun yung maganda kasi may broker tayo, okay? Pinapadali nila yung pagte-trade natin. Alright? Now, next, the retail traders. This is you and me. So guys, maliit lang tayo, no? But good thing is we are growing thanks to online platforms. Basically guys, around 6 to 8% of daily forex volume yung nagagawa natin every single day. So around, malaki din sa 500 to 700 billion din out of the 7.5 trillion. So tayo yung mga retail traders are like shoppers in the huge mall. So maliit lang tayo pero collectively we add energy and demand sa market. So tayo yung mga retail traders. Alright. So klaro tayo guys ha. Question ko, who do you think controls most of the 7.5? Okay, mute natin muna. Ayan. Okay, may mga okay, ayan. Alright, so there you go. Okay guys, balikan natin to. Question for you guys. Mamaya guys, huwag kayong kasi may pabonus ako mamaya. Mamimigay tayo ng cash G mamaya. Gusto niyo ba yon? Okay, para makita natin kung natuto talaga kayo. Ayan, so, ayan, sabi dito, who do you think controls most? Yes, the big banks, the institutional traders, guys. Grabe, no? Over 90% sa kanila. Pero you know what's amazing? Alam mo, anong nakaka-amaze sa atin? Kasi kahit small player lang tayo and napakalaki ng financial market, largest financial ocean in the world, 7.5 trillion yan everyday, guys. But yet, with the right knowledge and strategies, guys, and tools, even small fish like us can ride the waves of the whales. So, sabayan natin. Let's take advantage, no? Lalo na sa Philippines, wala pang taxes. Okay? Now, alright, are we learning? Okay. Next, guys, meron din tayong tinatawag na types of traders or type of trading. So, depende sa'yo kung saan yung fit sa'yo dito, okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na scalper, meron tayong tinatawag na day trader, swing trader, position trader. So, sino-sino ba yan sila? Usually, guys, nagmamatter dito is ang time frame. Yung time frame sa scalper, nagtitrade siya usually seconds to few minutes lang. Again, if you're a scalper like our master trader Abdallah Harfouch, usually guys, minsan 19 seconds lang, naka $1,000 na yan, naka $2,000, minsan 5 minutes, sobrang madalian ka lang sa market. Okay? Meron palang ganun. Akala ko kasi, di ba? Minsan kasi, akala natin, kailangan talaga nakatutok tayo sa trades, nakamonitor sa market, 3 monitor para ma-check lahat. Again, pwede po yan. Meron pong scalper or scalping na approach sa market. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na mga day traders. Usually guys, sila yung mga traders na yung time frame nila nasa around 1 hour to whole day or 4 hours to whole day. But they do not hold positions or trades within the day. The next day. Usually, kinu-close nila yan within the day. Okay? We also have the swing traders. Ito sila yung mga nagte-trade, nag-hold ng mga trades nila in a week. Okay? Days to week. Okay? And we also have the position traders. Ito sila guys, usually ang nagte-trade as position traders are the big banks talaga, no? Kasi they hold positions for weeks, months, even years. Matindi naman tayo bangko, no? Now, sa tingin nyo guys, sa time frame na sinabi ko sa inyo, alin dito yung fit sa inyo? Okay? Can you type dyan? Sir or MJ, ako, scalper yung gusto ko, scalping yung gusto ko, or position yung nakikita ko sa sarili ko, or swing trader, or baka dito may mga traders na, what kind of trader are you? Okay, scalper, okay? Guys, dito guys, there is no right or wrong answer. The key is finding the one that matches your lifestyle, ano yung personality mo, and your goals, no? In Forex kasi, you don't just learn to trade. You learn to trade like you. Kung alin yung fit sa'yo. Okay? Alin, kung saan mas comfortable sa'yo. Alright? So, next. Thank you. Wow, all of the above. Why not, no? So baka hindi natin alam, si Mark will be hired by JP Morgan to become one of their traders as well. Ayan, eto din guys yung mga sessions sa Philippines, yung mga trading sessions natin, no? We have the Tokyo session, we have the London, we have the New York, okay? And also we have the Sydney. Kaya guys, magtataka kayo, bakit almost 24 hours weekly si Forex? Kasi nag-overlap yung time. For example, ang na-miss out dito guys is Sydney session. Si Sydney session is 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, may mga 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. pala. May mga overlapping sa time. Kaya wag kang magtaka, almost no 24 hours open talaga yan. 24/5 open kasi malaki global yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. All right? Are we clear? Okay tayo diyan, no? Now, yes, tama, Norilyn, scalper and day trader sometimes. Pag naipit na yung scalping trade mo, nagiging day trade na. Okay? May mga nakaka-relate dyan. Ayan. Alright. So guys, sa forex trading, ano ba yung mga tinitrade natin? No? So alam na natin sino yung mga nagtitrade. Okay? This time, at ano yung mga klase ng trading? No? This time, alamin naman natin kung ano yung tinitrade natin. Okay? Now, dito guys, ang kagandahan sa Forex is hindi lang siya buying and selling of mga currencies, no? However, it's like stepping into the world's biggest shopping mall of money. Kasi pwede kang mag-trade ng currency, no? Which is yan, USD, Euro USD. Pwede din sa commodities. Ano ba yan? Sa commodities, andyan yung gold, silver, even Bitcoin meron. So, just to give you an example guys, ito yung mga currency pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD. Ayan, may kita nyo yan guys ha. Now, ang kagandahan dyan guys is marami yan. Okay? Sa commodities, pwede siya silver, platinum. Andyan din sa commodities guys is oil, natural gas. So, kasama yan sa tinitrade natin. Also, indices. Ano ba yung mga indices? Meron dyan US 30 or Dow Jones. Yung top 30 US companies. Nasdaq. Usually si Nasdaq ay tech focus yan. S&P 500. 500 largest US firms. Wow. And, di ba, instead na konti lang yung options mo, this time sobrang dami. May stocks pa yan guys via CFD. Merong yung cryptocurrencies, no? Grabe. On the weekends guys, sobrang accessible ni cryptocurrencies, BTC USD, alright? And bonds, no? So, si bonds kasi guys, parang nagpapahiram ka lang ng pera sa government or sa mga malalaking company and you get interest in return. So, that means may ETF pa yan, di ba? So, sobrang interest rates. The best part about forex trading, guys, is that you're not only stuck on one aisle. You can explore currencies today, gold tomorrow, crypto next week. So, it's the ultimate global marketplace at your fingertips. So, ganun po ka-accessible na ngayon si forex market. Kaya again, we're very blessed na right now, we have the access on this. Okay. Now, moving forward guys, no? Ito yung sinasabi natin ng mga currency pairs. Okay? Now, ano ba yung mga Okay, ayan, wait lang guys ah. Ayan. So, ito yung mga forex major currency pairings natin guys. Ang maganda dito guys, no? Ang maganda dito sa forex major currency pairings natin, eto usually sila traded, no? Kasi bakit? Sila yung mga mostly traded, si US dollar, si euro, si British pound, ayan, si Japanese yen, si Australian dollar, si Canadian dollar, si Swiss franc, si New Zealand dollars. Ang maganda sa kanila is sila yung pinaka-liquid. Pangalawa, madaming information available na pwede mong i-base yung trades mo doon. Number 3, they have lower spreads. Number 4, mas stable yung movement nila, yung volume nila. And number 5, mas predictable sila. Alright? Now, bakit dalawa usually yan? Okay? Ganyan talaga guys, no? Kasi may tinatawag tayo na base currency and quote currency. Okay? Are we learning? Okay? Again, base currency and quote currency. Okay? Now, okay. Ito kasi yung nangyayari dyan guys. Okay? Now, si euro, pag mataas yan, pag umaakyat yan, pag maganda yung takbo ni euro, tumataas si euro USD. Okay? Now, pag bumaba naman, no? Pag bumaba naman, pag bumaba naman si USD, okay? Bumababa din yung Euro USD. Okay? Are we clear on that? Okay? So, parang tag of price yan, guys. Okay? Parang tag of war sa price yan. Okay? Now, eto siya. Okay? Para ma-clear nyo lang. Etong part na to, yung una, that is called the base currency. Okay? Or price. Okay? Sabi dito, okay? Alright. Yan. It's the currency that you are using to buy when you trade the forex pair. Okay? Now, however, yung quote currency or the currency, it's the currency you are selling when you trade the forex pair. Okay, balik tayo dito. Sa mga natutulog dyan, baka na-screenshot na kayo, ha? Now, eto guys, makikita nyo dito. Okay? Ito yung base currency. Guys, yung base currency is always equal to 1. Okay? Ibig sabihin dito, yung 1 euro mo is equivalent to, eto guys, sample, eto yung prices. Okay? Ang tawag dito, can you comment? Ito yung price. Pwede ba pa-comment ng price? Ano nga to? Guys, itong nasa pinakagilid, yung numbers dyan, hindi po yan gawa-gawa lang ng mga numbers, guys. Yan po yung price, okay? Ibig sabihin, yung 1 euro is equivalent to 1.17407 USD. Okay? Now, I hope we're clear on that. Nakita nyo pa yung ano, hindi ko pala naitago yung indicator natin na ilo-launch next week. Yan. Alright guys, exciting times ahead for our community. May ilo-launch na naman tayo next week. Nako po. Ay, grabe. Sarap maging part ng Pinoy traders community. Hindi madamot yung mga coaches. Always nagre-release ng mga bagong update sa community. Ayan. Pangalawa, okay, ito yung quote currency. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yan yung price niya. Okay, 1.17407 USD. So, ayan. Alright. So, another terms to remember, etong bid price and ask price. Guys, wag nyo munang, baka yung iba dito na overwhelm na, ano ba yung pinagsasabi ng speaker dyan. Ano lang, you will not get this overnight. We're just giving you heads up para pagpapasok ka na talaga, at least ma-familiarize mo lang siya. Okay? Hindi mo naman kailangan i-memorize lahat ng to agad-agad. Okay? Now, key points about bid and ask prices. So, the bid price is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a currency. Okay? And the lowest price naman, the ask price naman is the lowest price a seller is willing to accept for a currency. Okay? However, guys, yung difference niyan, no? Makikita nyo right now, yan yung tinatawag din natin na spread. Okay? So the spread is the difference between the price at which a broker buys and sells a currency pair. Katulad nito, if you will take this for example, 1.30855 minus 1.30870, no? Nasa around 1.5 yung spread dyan, guys. Dyan kumukuha si forex broker ng share din nila. Kasi again, guys, hindi tayo makakapasok kung walang broker. 'Di ba? Parang ganito lang 'yan, 'di ba? Malabo naman siguro na hindi na lang ako gagamit ng cellphone kasi every time gagamit ako ng cellphone, kikita si Globe, kikita yung binibilhan ko ng data, 'di ba? Lahat guys, every time gagalaw tayo, may kumikita diyan, 'di ba? Pero at least dito, the best part is with VT Markets, hindi malaki yung mga spreads niya, hindi malaki yung mga admin fees niya. So, we truly appreciate that. Okay? Now, another term to familiarize, leverage. Okay? Si leverage po, parang ang concept niya, it's a multiplier na parang pinapautang ka muna ni broker na kung kunwari, $100 lang meron ka pero gusto mo mag-trade ng mas malaki, you can double, triple, quadruple your leverage. So kung leverage mo is 400, tapos yung nasa capital mo is 100, nasa around $40,000 yung trading power mo dyan. But remember this, pwede mo tong ma-adjust guys sa mayroon ng mga account sa VT Markets, no? Sa mga wala pa, don't worry kasi may good news kami sa inyo mamaya. Hold on, wag muna kayong pumunta doon or maghanap, mag-research. We will give you the links later on guys, okay? Now, however, it's a double-edged sword, no? Kasi pag nanalo ka, yes, pwedeng malaki. Pero mataas din yung chance na malaki din yung losses mo. Okay? So be very careful. Okay? Now, another term, stop loss and take profit. So, let's just say for example guys, eto yung entry mo. Ano yung entry? Diyan ka nag-buy or diyan ka nag-sell. Okay? Si stop loss and take profit, it's a position guys na siniset mo na just in case na busy ka, may ginagawa ka or computed mo na yung ilang pips yung gusto mong kitain. Okay? Pwede mo siyang iset. Okay? So, naka-predetermine na yan. Kunwari, nag-buy ka dito, yung take profit mo is hanggang dito. So, pag umabot na yung candlestick na yan, guys, we call this candlestick. Pag umabot na yan dito, na-hit niya na, automatic, magko-close na yung trade mo and you will already have a profit. Okay? So, pa-order siya guys, no? Order siya na pag umabot na dito close mo na, kita na ako. However, just in case, whatever happens, mag-reverse man yung forecast mo, at least computed mo na din yung stop loss mo. Yung stop loss guys, it's an order na para hindi masyadong malaki yung mawala sa'yo kasi in-anticipate mo na din kung magkano yung kaya mong malos. Again guys, dito, yes, meron siyang loss. Okay? Kung may magsabi man sa inyo, wala siyang loss, grabe. This is not, we're talking about more of the win rate. Okay? Kunwari, meron kang 10 trades. Yung 7 dyan is winning trade. At least 70% profit ka pa din. Pero guys, walang makakapagsabi talaga sa atin na hindi siya matatalo kasi napakalaki ng market. Yung movement ng market, hindi mo talaga 101% ma-forecast ng tama yan kasi nagmo-move yan. Maraming buyers and sellers dyan. Kaya kung may magsabi man sa inyo dito sa amin na guarantee 101%, yayaman ka, kikita ka, guys, wala pong ganun. In the world of trading, I hope you understand that losses is part of it. Hindi po siya pwedeng mawala, no? Pero kayang i-manage yung risk. Okay? Are we clear? Are you learning? Stop loss, SL, take profit, TP. Okay. All right, there you go. Now, pag-usapan din natin to guys. Makikita nyo to bukas. Ayan. More of application tayo bukas, ha? So, eto guys, eto yung balance, equity, free margin, margin level. Ayan. Ito yung mga makikita nyo sa platform nyo bukas sa MT5. So, ano ba tong balance? No, simple lang. Ito yung total money in your account, excluding the open trade. So, ito yung kabuuang pera mo sa account mo, pero hindi pa kasama yung naka-open trade. Okay? Now, pangalawa, yung equity. Ito siya guys, balance siya plus or minus your current open profit or loss. No? So, if your trades are losing, equity is lower than balance. If your trades are winning, equity is higher than your balance. Okay? So, klaro tayo dyan. The free margin, itong free margin, ano ba to? This is the money available to open new trades. So, no? So, it is used or it's your equity minus the margin already being used. So, that means pag mataas pa yung free margin mo, pwede mo pa yang i-trade. Okay? Margin level. Ito guys, ito yung safety indicator. It shows how healthy your account is. However, may mga brokers guys na below 100%, pag below 100% na yung margin level mo, ito yung kinakabahan na talaga yung mga trader. Ano yon? Pag nag-margin call na, ibig sabihin, konting-konti na lang, mauubos na yung fund mo o yung balance mo sa trade mo at mag-automatic close na yan, it's a loss already. Okay? Huwag naman, no? Pero ganun talaga. Wala kang choice. Wala kang no choice. And the margin, guys, this is the money your broker locks as an insurance to keep your open trade, no? Think of it as a security deposit. So, ganun siya. Okay? So, now, malapit na akong matapos, guys. Ayan. I hope wala pang nakatulog dyan. Wala po akong nakita na file na in-explain nyo now. Anong wala kang nakikitang file? Baka hindi nyo po, hindi nyo po, naka-share screen ba ako, guys? Baka hindi ako naka-share screen ha. Kanina pa ako share sa inyo. Naka-share screen ba? Yes, yes. Okay, yan. Okay. Akala ko ako lang Yes, naka-record naman to. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, no? Naka-SS ko na yan. Yan yung mga masipag, no? Masipag na matalino. Di pala, tapulan na matalino. Screenshot na lang. Smart work, instead of working hard, work smart, okay? Pero maganda din magsulat, guys, ha? Later on, if naka-screenshot kayo, I suggest na isulat nyo din. So, ano ba si PIP, okay? Ang meaning ng PIP, guys, is percentage in point, okay? Sa kasi, guys, natatawa ko, kasi ganun din ako dati. Ano ba, magkano ba yung sugal dyan? Magkano ba, yung term pa natin dati is laro. Paano ba yan laruin? Hindi po to nilalaro. Nagtitrade po tayo dito, okay? Now, ang nangyayari kasi, yung expectation natin, mag-trade ako ng $100. $100 din papanulunan ko, 'di ba? Yun yung natin. But actually, guys, yung yung profit niya is based on pips, no? Percentage in points. So may mga maintindihan niyo din yan later, guys. But however, para mas madali niyong maintindihan, it's the smallest unit of measurement. Ito yung ginagamit natin na measurement, 'di ba? Para makuha or for us to distinguish yung changes sa value ng mga currencies. Okay? For example, ito, 1.17407. Pag nag-move yan, guys, okay? Pag nag-move yan, every movement yan, that's a pip. Okay? So, ito, para mas madali nyong maintindihan. Malapit na, guys, akong matapos, so bear with me. So, for example, ito, 1.12971. Etong one, guys, itong place na to, or basta, yan, yung term is pipet. Ito yung pipet. Pero para hindi kayo malito, wag nyo munang pansinin yan. Ito kasi yung fractional portion ng okay? Ng pip, okay? Fraction lang to eh. So, eto lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Kalimutan mo muna yung last digit. Okay? Wag mo munang pakialaman yan. Focus tayo starting from 7. Dito, guys, eto is 1 pip. Dito is 10 pips. Eto, 100 pips. Ganyan siya i-compute. Ito is 1,000 pips. Dito is 10,000 pips. Okay? So, ulitin ko ha. Dito, etong pinaka-first, kalimutan nyo muna to. Etong pinaka-first is 1 pip. Pangalawang place is 10 pips. Pangatlo is 100 pips, 1,000 pips, and 10,000 pips. Huwag kayong mag-base sa amount na nakikita nyo, guys. Dito muna tayo. Okay? Pero ito yung computation niya. Okay? Now, forward tayo dito. Katulad nito. Huwag nyo munang tingnan to. Ito, di ba, is 1 pip. So, since meron siyang 6, 6 times 1 is 6 pips. Dito is 10. 10 pips, di ba? Pag itong place na to. Pangalawa. So, 4 times 10, that's gonna be 40 pips. Dito is 100. 9 times 100 is equivalent to 900 pips. Dito is 1,000. So, 1 times 1,000, 1,000 pips. And ito is 10,000 pips. So, to make it, again, easier, 1 pip, 10 pips, 100 pips, 1,000 pips, 10,000 pips. Are we clear? Are we learning? All right. Now, okay, I have a game for you. Okay? Tulungan niyo ako, guys. Okay? Tulungan niyo muna ako. Back ko mo lang muna. Okay? I will give 500 pesos cash price dito. Okay? I-compute nyo kung ilang pips yung difference. Okay? Pero paunahan lang. Isa lang yung bibigyan ko. Mamaya mag-message kayo sa akin kung sino yung nanalo. Isi-screenshot ko dito. But I will say go muna, ha? Para ano, I will give you at least 10 seconds to compute. Okay? So, sino yung pinakamaunang compute after the line that I will send sa comment section, siya yung bibigyan ko ng 500 na GCash. Alright? So, tulungan niyo ako kung ilang pips yung difference ng movement ng price na to. Alright? So, alright, go. How many pips yan? Tatlo yung answer, guys, ha? Tatlo yung answer. Ito, original price, 1.0930. New price is 1.0940. Okay. Ilang pips yan? Okay. 10. Tatlong answers yan, guys. Tatlong answers yan. Tatlong answers yan. Kasi tatlong prices yan. Sige nga, try mo lang yung best nyo. Try nyo lang yung best nyo sa sinabi ko kanina. Ayan. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Guys, tingnan natin. Ayan, alright. We have 10 pips yung difference dito kasi 3 tsaka 4, 'di ba? Dito is 7, 800 pips. Dito naman is 3 and 0 to 3, 3 pips. So guys, congratulations, Rob. Sino ba to si Rob? Pwede bang ma-open ka muna si Rob para at least alam ko lang, makita ko lang, baka si Rob FX to ha. Makita ko lang, add spotlight. Makita ko lang muna. Ayan. Sir Rob, okay? Ayan. Okay lang ba i-open yung camera mo? Rob Ginto? Ayan. From saan ka, sir? Naka-close ah. Message mo ako mamaya, sir ah. Gusto ko lang makita. Baka ang daming mag-message sa akin na Rob. Ako pa yung abonado dyan. Hello, sir?
Pasig, sir. Pasig po.
Pasig. Okay, okay. Thank you. Anong apelido mo, sir?
Adonis po.
Adonis. Ayan. Thank you. Hindi pala Ginto. Rob Adonis. Thank you. Message mo ako mamaya, sir ha. Thank you so much po. God bless po. Alright. Sige. Magpatuloy muna ako, guys. Ayan. Swerte naman ni sir. Oh. 'Di ba? Nakaano lang, nakinig lang, pero kumita pa. Alright, guys. I'm almost done. Okay? I'm almost done. Malapit na ako. Bear with me, ha. Bear with me. Okay? Another thing. Okay? Lot sizes. Okay? Guys, kasama din sa lot size sa pag-compute, no? So, every time you place a trade, okay? Meron po tayong, ito yung tinatawag natin na naka-base kung magkano yung iti-trade mo through lot sizes. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay? Now, sa standard lot, okay? Every movement, pag 1 yung lot size, $10 yan. No? Pero it's not the same scenario with yung ibang mga pairs, guys, ha? Okay? Okay, it's not the same scenario kasi iba din sa US 30, ganyan. Okay? Pero ito yung standard talaga. Standard lot, sa 1 lot size, $10. Mini lot is 0.1, which is $1. Micro lot is 0.01, which is $0.10 or $0.1. Okay? Now, for example, yung original price is nasa 1.0940. Okay? Yung new price, nag-move siya. No, nag-move siya. So, naging 1.0970. Now, anong nangyari dito, guys? Okay? Kung lot size mo is 1, okay? How many pips yan? Ilang pips yan, guys? Sige nga, tulungan nyo ako. Ilang pips yan? 3 pips. Very good. Okay. Sorry, guys, ha. Wala na tayong pa-Gcash. Yan na yun. Okay? Now, okay. Now, ang mangyayari dito, guys, 3 pips lang po. Okay, sorry. 30 pips pala. I stand corrected. 30 pips po. 30 pips. Okay? So, kung i-compute natin yan, guys, 30 pips. Okay? Tapos, 1 yung lot size. 30 pips times 1. So, that means every pip, pag 1 yung lot size is $10, that means $300 yung profit mo. It can be a profit or it can be a loss. Okay? So, sana profit naman. Okay, thank you so much. Are we learning? Grabe guys. Sobrang na-enjoy natin to ngayon Okay, now guys, with everything that I shared to you, mahirap ba sa tingin nyo? Nag-e-enjoy ba kayo? Yes or no? Are you enjoying? Yes or no? Eto, next question. Medyo mahirap ba? You know what guys, mahirap pero exciting. Wow, thank you so much. No, at least medyo na-familiarize niyo na. But you know what guys, dito, share ko lang sa inyo. What really helped me to gain my confidence in really starting over my forex trading journey. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, 'di ba, na-scam ako, medyo challenging 'yun. Ang dami, sumali ako ng academy na naman, mga pumasok ng EA, paulit-ulit yung attempt ko. Siguro din hindi ko talaga din nabigyan ng focus, pero siguro ang pinakamalaking factor kung bakit din ako na sobrang natutuwa is we have the community. Part talaga yan guys. Huwag mong solohin yung forex trading journey mo. Please lang. No, wag mong solohin yung journey mo. Maganda guys, andito tayo, nagtutulungan, no? Nag-e-enjoy, especially mamaya, may assignment ako sa inyo. Guys, wait lang may assignment pa ako sa inyo para bukas. Very important to. Hindi ka mag-e-enjoy bukas kung hindi mo magagawa yung assignment mo. Okay? Now, kailangan talaga yung community, guys. No? So, maganda kung may mapagtanungan ka, you have someone to share sa wins mo, sa losses mo, 'di ba? Yung tipong alam mo hindi ka nag-iisa. Okay? Next, maganda is yung trainings. No, maganda pa din na dumaan ka sa proper process. Huwag kang mag-shortcut, huwag mong madaliin kasi the more mo minamadali, the more kang lumalayo, no? The more kang nawawala, no, sa forex journey mo. And last but not the least, guys, ang pinaka-importante is tools. Tools talaga. Bakit? Yung trading dati, guys, is hindi siya katulad ngayon. Again, the tools. Dati, guys, sobrang pahirapan. Dati, sobrang manual, sobrang wala kang yung ano mo, yung forecast mo, nagdadalawang isip ka talaga kasi walang mga confirmation, no? Talagang manual yung trades mo. Nakarely ka lang sa sarili mong assessment sa trade mo. However, ngayon, sobrang ganda, guys. Kaya din ako na-encourage bumalik sa pagtitrade simply because of the cheat codes. And ito yung part last year, I started my forex trading journey again. Kasi nung nag-usap kami ni Coach Nars regarding this, sabi niya, MJ, ang ganda ng cheat codes. Dito din ako kumikita right now, natulungan ako. And dahil dito guys, ito din yung rason kung bakit kami kumikita din ngayon. And i-share ko lang sa inyo, okay lang ba? Share ko lang sa inyo. Ang kagandahan guys, pag may trading tools ka, mayroon kang mga ganito. Katulad nito si Hummingbird. It's an AI-based scanner, no? Na kung hindi mo pa masyadong alam yung mga patterns, yung mga candlesticks, ang maganda dito, nagbibigay siya ng idea na ano yung pattern na nakikita niya. Ito, double top. Very high win rate to na pattern, guys, na nagsasabi siya when to entry, when to take profit, and stop loss. So, AI-based siya na pattern scanner. So, pwede talagang makatulong sa inyo kahit newbie pa lang kayo. Grabe. Sobrang blessed. Wow, no? Bakit siya maganda? Kasi harmonic yung based siya on harmonic patterns, which is ang maganda, mataas kasi yung win rate, guys, pag naka-base ka sa harmonic patterns, around 70 to 85%. Pero pag bago ka, ang hirap mong makita yan. Maganda kung meron kang mga tools katulad na ganito. Okay? Another thing, no? Meron kang AI-driven analysis na Lumens, which is focusing more on Bitcoins, Solana, mga cryptocurrencies, no? So, imagine, hindi na lang ikaw or kung meron kang confirmation sa mga gagawin mo na trades, sobrang laking tulong. When to entry, when to exit, 'di ba? So, mas pinapadali niya yung forex trading journey mo. Okay? Number 2, Academy Hub. Guys, again, aaralin natin to. Okay? Ang kagandahan dito is hindi ka na mag-a-analysis paralysis kasi given na siya lahat. Ako dati guys sa YouTube, grabe, iba-iba yung pinapanood ko. Ang ending, hindi ko na alam kung sino yung talagang paniniwalaan ko, ano yung gagawin ko. Nag-analysis paralysis ka na. Dito guys, as in step by step guided ka na. Bakit mo siya kailangan aralin? Kasi it's a skill, 'di ba? Ang doktor, ang lawyer, ang teacher, sinisahuran sila kasi they really make time to study on their specific skill. Same thing with Forex, guys. It's a skill that you need to learn. Alright? Now, number 3, expert trade ideas. We have Harmony, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. So far guys, ito yung isa sa pinaka nakita ko na trade ideas na mataas yung win rate niya. So, pag wala kayong time, no, pwede kayong mag-base din dito at i-analyze nyo din. So far guys, sobrang ganda. Around 200 pips almost every now and then yung nahihit nito. Sometimes nagti-TP7 pa to. Nag-take profit until TP7 pa siya. Okay? Number 4, ito yung favorite ko guys. Akala ko talaga dati, kailangan alamin ko lahat down to the start and last. Dapat alam ko yung Fibonacci, alam ko yung mga lahat ng mga patterns na yan. But you know what? Ito yung grabe. Super grateful ako. Very, very well-known master trader in Dubai, si Abdallah Harfouch, no? So, mostly guys, nang nagte-trade ngayon ng US 30 is naka-base talaga sa the way he trades, no? Imagine guys, he's also in our community. Every single day, sasabayan mo lang siya mag-trade. 9:30 p.m. Pilipinas time, pag open ng New York session, sasabayan mo na lang siya. Pag sasabihin niyang buy, pag sasabihin niyang sell, siya yung mismo mabibigay sa'yo. Mga 5 to 10 minutes lang yan guys, every single day. Isa to talaga sa nakatulong sa akin. And you know what guys, dahil dyan, meron akong student from Canada. Imagine ninyo, yung $100 niya, naging $2,600 lang naman. She messaged me, nagdalawang isip pa siya kasi she's learning the community 2 months pa lang, no? Dito guys, 1 to 3 months, the best part is talagang matututo ka na. Yung iba dito, 1 month pa lang, depende. Pero give it 3 months, I'm confident na matututo at kikita ka talaga dito. No? So sabi niya dito, sir, yan yung laman yung VT markets ko. Nagpa-confirm siya kung cent ba or yung standard. So sabi ko naman, standard, no? So, ayan, third day of trading niya. Kita nyo guys, yung deposit niya lang is 100, pero yung profit niya is 2,036. She's from Canada, her name is May. And ayan guys, sabi ko, ano yung ginawa nyo? Ano lang talaga, yung kay Abdallah. Imagine nyo guys, she started March 16 lang kayo nag-start. Sabi ko, grabe mag 2 months pa lang kayo this May 16. 1.5 month na journey sa Forex from zero knowledge. Yes po. Yan. Grabe. Now, ang maganda dito guys, ang maganda dito, sabi niya, ayan, sabi pa niya dito, wait lang ha. Sabi niya dito, made my first withdrawal. Sana makarating ng maayos. Nag-doubt pa siya kung okay ba talaga mawi-withdraw ba. Ayan, kita nyo guys, nag-reflect yung income niya. Gamit niya dito is Coinbase. So, pumasok talaga. Eto at 451 yan. Kung nakita nyo, 451 by 940, nag-withdraw ulit ng $1,000. Sumabay na naman kay Abdallah. Grabe yung market from 630 Abdallah. Grabe talaga. Sobrang ganda guys. Sobrang ganda. Now, guys, eto ha, in the normal trading world, usually guys, nasa around 70,000 to 150K yung basic course na yan. Pag advance 400,000, pupunta ka pa ng BGC, Makati, 1 week tuturuan ka offline. May mga ganyan. Pero ang problema, right after that, ikaw na bahala. Dito guys, sa community natin, you don't need to pay that much. Sa iba, merong $1,400. Tapos may monthly na $99. Dito sa community natin, gusto ko lang i-flex no konti. You can start even for as low as $159. $159. Nasa 9,000 pesos lang yan. Meron ng Academy Hub, Lumens AI, Hummingbird, Expert Ideas, live sessions. You can use even paying your credit card. Alam nyo guys, I can still remember, nag-usap kami ni Coach Nars. Nasa Dear Joe Cagayan de Oro ako when I started. Alam mo ginawa ko? Kinausap ko pa si Coach Marge. Sabi ko, pahiramin mo muna ako. Utangin mo muna ako. Gamitin muna natin yung credit card. And imagine guys, who would have thought right now? Grabe. Sobrang grateful ako sa time na yun. I just used wisely my money. I think of it as investment sa sarili ko. Kasi 'di ba, magkano lang naman yung 9,000? Baka nga mas mahal pa yung cellphone or yung sapatos mo. If you wanna continue naman on the next month, $99 lang. Pero if gusto mo i-try lang for 1 month, okay lang din, walang problema. Ang good thing dyan guys is kasama na si Hero 30, ang community, ang group coaching. And etong Hero 30 guys, maraming nagbayad nito for $99. Kung ito lang yung in-avail mo, magbabayad ka pa ng iba for the VIP community ng $159. Pero ngayon, good thing, $159 lang kasama na si Hero 30. Kasama na pa dyan yung ex-AU sniper natin na alam nyo guys, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Papakita ko sa inyo bago ko ibigay yung assignment natin. Kumita lang naman ng 7 digits. 2 million, if hindi ako nagkakamali, almost 2 million yung winidraw ng classmate natin coming from Abu Dhabi using this strategy. And also, si Miss Gemma, shout out ko lang, no? Si Sir A, si Miss Gemma, coming from Canada. Ito din yung reason kung bakit siya nakabili ng plane ticket to Philippines just to travel, no? Kumita ata siya ng around $5,000 to $6,000 because of this strategy. Kasama na siya doon. And yan guys, yan mga feedbacks ng mga classmates natin. Alright? Now, kasama na din, grabe, may Surefire VIP signal pa. Sure na yung pag-aaral mo dito guys. By the way guys, itong mga signals, you can also use demo accounts for this as well. Alright? Pero guys, before we end, before ko ibigay yung assignment, can we watch on this video? Sobrang na-inspire ako sa taong to na never ko in-expect din na talagang kahit sobrang busy sa trabaho, nabigyan na talaga ng oras. Kahit online lang nag-aaral. Tingnan muna natin to guys.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, yung $1,000 mo, naging $25.
25,000.
25,000 po.
Naging sabihin, $25,000 in 1 month. And
Yes po.
magkano yung total profit mo right now, sir, if you don't mind? Sa ilang buwan mo po dito sa community natin?
Sa magto 2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7 to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako, and then the total na withdraw na po sa account po is $44,000.
Wow.
Wow, that's around, magkano po yun sa Philippine peso right now? It's around 44,000. Grabe na, agad.
Nasa 2 million plus.
Ngayon eh. So it's around 2.5 million. Tama po ba?
Hindi po ako sa nag-aabang. Ito po ako. Pero
Magkano?
Parang hindi siya na-clear, sir. Grabe. Yung iba dito, guys. Okay, bawal mag-screenshot. Dito, guys, kinakailangan tayo, sir.
Ayan po ang aking withdrawals. May mga withdrawals po ako. Ayan po, $10,000, $2,000, $7,000. Withdrawals po yan.
Wow!
Hindi
Grabe!
po sa pagyayabang, withdrawals po. At very thankful din po ako lalo din sa kay Miss In.
Yes.
From VT Markets.
Sa VT Markets. Sa VT Markets.
Yan napakagandang pagod. Para sa inyo din po, Coach Mars, kay Coach MJ. Talagang
Sir.
helpful, talagang napaka-thankful.
Ayan. Guys, grabe. Imagine. Ma-imagine mo ba yung sarili mo, ikaw na naman yung next mag-testimony sa story mo? Grabe guys, 2 months. Sinong mag-aakala? Tinry lang ni Sir, 'di ba? Kasi wala namang mawawala kung susubukan natin. Tama? Guys, hindi po 'yan si si Coach Marge po 'yan. All right. So guys, eto na assignment time. Okay, assignment time. Please take a screenshot on this one, guys. Assignment sa platform execution for tomorrow. Number 1 is to create your demo accounts. And number 2, saan mo hahanapin yan para makreate mo na? get the links with video instructions from coaches, no? Kung sino yung coach na naka-assign sa'yo, wag po kayong mag-message sa akin kung hindi po kayo naka-assign sa akin, ha? Pero pwede nyo po akong i-follow. Segue na lang din. Get the links from your coaches, no, na may video instructions para din maka-avail kayo ng bonus soon. Kasi guys, pag nakadirect po kayo dun sa BT Markets, pahirapan po yan, no? Mas maganda connected sa coach kasi may naka-assign tayo na mga account managers para kung may mga concern kayo soon, madali nating maayos katulad kay Sir Ace, 'di ba? Alam natin na safety yung pera din natin. So again, assignment will be create your demo account kasi bukas I will show you the market execution, the platform execution bukas, okay? So get the links from your coaches. Are we clear? Can you comment clear, guys? Para alam ko na klaro tayo dito. Hindi nyo maa-appreciate yung topic bukas, guys, kung hindi nyo to gagawin. I tell you, tomorrow is the most exciting part. Bukas, alalaman nyo, ma-execute nyo kung paano mag-buy, kung paano mag-sell, paano yung TP, yung mag-move yung chart. Bukas yung pinaka-exciting part. So please, 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 don't miss this. Gawin nyo tonight or bukas bago po tayo magkita-kita bukas 10 p.m. Okay? Yung link po is nasa assigned coaches nyo. Okay? May specific link po every coach. So, hingin nyo po sa kanila. Alright? Guys, I'm done. But I leave you these words. Okay? I leave you this inspiring message, no? Words may inspire. Wow, na-relate pa. Words may inspire, but only action creates change. Kahit po gaano yung excitement na sinishare namin sa inyo dito, na malaki yung posibleng kitain, na maganda siya aralin, pwede kayong ma-inspire lang tonight. However, sayang yung inspiration mo, yung natutunan mo tonight if wala kang action. Kasi sa action, guys, andyan po yung changes na pwedeng mabago sa buhay mo. Alright? So I hope and I pray lahat ng andito, Lord, please, i-touch mo yung heart, yung minds nila, yung kamay nila, yung utak nila, yung katawan nila, na they will take action tonight to create their demo account, Lord, please, para unti-unti silang matuto. Alright? So I hope you learned a lot for tonight and nag-enjoy kayo. And guys, just a konting favor lang, no? Please, no? If nasa GC kayo right now sa mga free GC, can you at least share what you learned or say something na pwedeng ma-excite din tayong lahat doon at mag-enjoy para at least marami tayong mapasahan ng good energy. Okay? So, guys, okay, thank you so much. And picture muna tayo. Picture muna, guys. Picture. Open cameras. Okay? Picture muna. Okay, open camera na ba lahat? Smile muna, guys. Isa pa, guys, ha, kasi wait lang, ha. Medyo ano tayo. Okay. Okay, page. Gabi, 10 pages pala tayo tonight. Grabe, dami. 1, 2, 3, smile. May pa-heart sign pa yung iba, oh. Pangalawa. Okay, pangatlo. Grabe. Etong mga naka-open cam, ito na yung mga next papaldo talaga. Ramdam ko na, guys. Ramdam ko na. Sobrang dami natin. Thank you, ha. Kasi di talaga kayo hindi kayo nag-leave. Dami natin. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. God bless po. Ingat po kayong lahat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.